Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have sold an item or just want to take down a listing on Offerup, I'm going to show you how to delete or more accurately archive a post in just a few quick steps. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening the Offerup app. Look for the icon that's blue and green with a little price tag that says Offerup. Next, tap the bottom that looks like a price tag. It's your fourth one across. This takes you to your My Offer page. At the top of the screen, tap on Selling. This will show you all the items you currently have listed. Find the item you want to remove and tap on it to open the listing details. Now look for the three dots at the top right corner and the listing title. That's your More Options menu. Tap it. From the menu, select Archive. This is basically the same as deleting. It takes the item down and ends the sale. You will get a confirmation pop-up. Just tap Continue and your item is officially archived. And there you go. Your post is now off the market. If you ever need to find it again, just go back to the My Offers page and tap on Archive in the top left corner to view all your archived listings. If this walkthrough helped you out, give the video a like, subscribe for more quick guides, and let me know in the comments if there's anything else you want help you with on Offerup. Thanks for watching.